Hello friends, we have all come across with this problem in our house. Here we need to do a plasterboard patch. First find a vertical studs. Leave the gap around 15 to 20 mm from the stud. Mark the straight line with the water level, both sides of the stud and on the top of it. After marking, you can cut the plasterboard with the knife, and also you can use multi-tool. With little force you can cut the plasterboard and make sure your knives move on the marking line. This is how you can use the multi-tool to cut the plasterboard straight and it fast. After cutting the chipboard, now we have to put the knob where there is no timber support between the studs. Once the knob is placed, now we have to measure that plasterboard. Measure it twice, so you have to cut it once. Then mark the measurement on the plasterboard. Cut the plasterboard with the same water level. Make one cut on the front side and other cut on the back side. Now place the jib over the patch. Use 32 mm screws for the jibboard. Screw it on every corner of the plasterboard. Leave at least 30 mm from the top. After all the screws are placed, you have done with the plaster patch. Please like, share and comment.